Good morning, my name is Valeria Mejía and today I come to present my recipe. 1. We will start with drying the lower part of a broccoli on green paper. We cut it out and stick green plastic balls on it. 2. We take a red iris leaf and cut out some figures similar to tomatoes. The quantity varies. 3. After this, we cut out long thin strips for a wing. It is left. 4. With yellow plasticine, we will make a tip of zucchini in strips. We must crush it and divide it. 5. With orange plasticine, we will make carrot cubes. Then we must crush it and cut small squares. 6. With green plasticine, we will make what we know as spinach. It must be divided into small thin strips. 7. With white plasticine, we will make the egg. We will flatten it a little and weave in the shape of the egg. And with orange plasticine, we will make what will be the flame. 8. We can put everything to taste and wherever we want. 9. With sticky notes, we will mark each ingredient and we will place a topic on them to alt is. And finally, we put their names to each one, and that will be all. Thank you. Thanks for watching. We will see you in a future presentation. Bye.